So, what do you love snacking while traveling in a matatu? Today, we will have a tough time in trying to determine the best roadside snack in Kenya. Can you predict your winner before the snack showdown? After a lengthy research, about 20 snacks were eliminated in what you would call group stages. These snacks made it to the last 8. We are then going to eliminate them one by one until we get the ultimate winner. For easy elimination, we are going to divide them into 2 groups. In group 1, we have mandazi, chapati, sugarcane and njugu karanga, where mandazi versus chapati will battle first, then sugarcane versus njugu karanga. Who wins? In group 2, we have samosa, mayai chemsha, mahindi choma and mabuyu, where the first battle will be between samosa and mayai chemsha, then followed by mahindi choma versus mabuyu. We will judge them based on the criteria of strength, weaknesses, cost of buying and the convenience. Who will be the ultimate winner? Make your prediction now. Or what's your favorite? Group 1, Battle 1, duff-based snacks, mandazi versus chapati. When you look at mandazi, they are portable, sweet and satisfying. They can be easily handheld and consumed at a go. However, they can be oily and might be too sweet for some people. They are generally of low cost. Let's look at chapati. Chapatis are versatile, satisfying and filling. Although they can require a bit of more handling, but they are still convenient. They require additional condiments or filling and may not be as sweet as mandazi. They are of moderate cost. So, what do you think? Elimination time. The winner of this category of duff-based snacks is chapati. Chapati is versatile, filling and moderate, which makes it well-rounded choice. Battle 2. Sweet snacks, sugarcane versus njugu karanga. Sugarcane is refreshing, natural sweetness and hydrating. It has a limited flavor complexity. It is also affordable. It requires peeling and can be a bit messy. Njugu karanga or roasted peanuts. They are nutritious, savory and satisfying crunch. However, they may be dry and can be too plain for some people. They are generally of low cost. They are easily portable and non-messy. Elimination time. I know you people are going to have a different choice as mine. What's your choice? My choice for this category of sweet snacks is sugarcane. Its refreshing nature and natural sweetness provide a unique and hydrating snack. Sorry njugu karanga, although I like you a lot. Let's move over to group 2. Battle 1. Savory snacks. Samosa versus mayai chemsha. When you look at samosa, it has a flavorful filling and convenient size. It can be easily handled but might require condiments. It's fried, so it can be oily sometimes. It is generally of low cost. On the other hand, mayai chemsha is rich of savory flavor and satisfying protein content. It may be messier to eat and requires additional preparation. It is of moderate cost. It is convenient but requires more handling and can be messy. And now to elimination time. Can you make your choice before I make mine? The winner of this category of savory snacks is samosa. Its flavorful filling and convenient size makes it a popular and satisfying choice. Battle 2. Grilled and roasted snacks. Mahindi choma versus mabuyu. When you look at mahindi choma, it is known to be healthy, simple flavor. It may lack flavor complexity, but it is generally of low cost. It is portable but may require handling. When you look at mabuyu, it has a unique flavor, sweet and tangy. It is sticky and has a sugary coating. It is generally of low cost and it's also portable but may be messy. Now to your favorite moment, elimination. The loser of this category between mahindi choma and mabuyu is mabuyu. Mahindi choma is healthy and is a simple snack with a classic appeal. On to the semi-finals now. The final battle for group 1, chapati versus sugarcane. As we saw earlier, chapati is versatile and filling. It is of moderate cost and convenient. On the other hand, sugarcane is refreshing, it has a natural sweetness and hydrating. It's also affordable. Decision. The ultimate winner of group 1 for the roadside snacks competition is... What do you think? The winner of this group is sugarcane. Its unique, refreshing and hydrating qualities along with its affordability makes it a distinctive and refreshing choice for matatu journeys in Kenya. The final battle for Group 2, Samosa versus Mahindi Choma. Samosa, as we saw earlier, is flavorful, filling and convenient size. It is generally of low cost. On the other hand, Mahindi Choma is healthy and has a simple flavor, and it's generally of low cost. Decision. The ultimate winner in the final battle for Group 2 is Samosa. Its flavorful, filling and convenient size, coupled with a reasonable cost, make it a top choice for a matatu snack during travels in Kenya. On to the finals now. Congratulations Sugarcane and Samosa. Let's see who wins. The final battle is Sugarcane versus Samosa. Now, Sugarcane strengths: it is refreshing, natural sweetness, and it's also hydrating. It's affordable and provides a unique and refreshing taste experience. Samosa, on the other hand, it's flavorful, filling, and convenient size. It is generally of moderate cost. It offers a satisfying and savory experience. Decision. After a close battle, the ultimate winner of the best traveling snack in Kenya is Samosa. While Sugarcane brings a refreshing and hydrating element, Samosa's flavorful filling, convenient size and satisfying savory taste makes it an overall champion for a matatu snack during travels in Kenya. Its popularity, versatility and appeal to various taste preferences contribute to its victory in this delightful roadside snack showdown. Let me know your favorite snack in the comments below. See you soon. Remember to subscribe to this channel.